Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lena and this is Essential Tips 101. So if you're new here, kindly consider to subscribe, and thank you for those who've been showing love to my videos. I appreciate. So on today's episode, we're going to make something special, something simple and something quick. It's stir-fried rice. You can use your leftover rice or you can steam your rice. So we're going to be using beef sausages as our protein. You can as well use pork, beef, chicken, anything that goes with you. And for our vegetables, we have white onion, we have green bell pepper, we have yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and carrot. So let's do this. So the ingredients are ready and this is so colorful. So the white onion is ready, then we have the white rice, so we are just going to stir fry them and we are good to go. So you put in some oil in your cooking pot and you let it heat. So put in the onion, and let them cook till they are translucent. At this stage you can put in the spice that you want. For me, I'll only use garlic powder. So now we are going to go in with the veggies. Give them a nice stir. We add a little bit of salt. The next is the protein. So give it a nice stir. Then put in your rice. So this is steamed rice, so we put it in. And then add soy sauce and stir. So here you're going to add till you feel the right it's enough. This is what we wanted. So it looks colorful, it looks beautiful, and your stir-fried rice is ready. So beautiful. That was easy, quick, and simple. Let's serve. Look at that. Wow. This took me only 10 minutes. 10 minutes. and it's ready. Look at that, it's so beautiful. I love it. And yeah. So you can try this at home and tell me how it turns out, and maybe tag me on my Instagram at Miss Lena. Thank you so much. See you on our next video.